much like the second set, FEU trying to build a huge lead as they go towards the 25-point mark here in this set. Petrus Del Campo has been able to put a couple of points in here in this set as well. Blockers of FEU were there. Oh!
Ramos, great job in saving that ball. That was a difficult act. You know, if the ball was overset, already almost on the other side, and Ramos just making sure that had enough push.
Avila, oh, he gets denied there.
No wagging finger?
Not that time.
Nothing coming from Alfafara.
No more fist bumps, no more screaming.
Alam mo, at this point, they're all tired. So
Oh, yeah.
if you give a free ball to UST, how will they capitalize on this one?
Oh!
Slipping was Avila. Was the nearest one. Go for that second ball.
And now USD getting 3 straight points.
Isang tumba, sumunod ka na rito. Kasi si Alpha parang ano mo, dinatayuan ka lang dun. Hindi tayo makakapag-combination play. Kasi nga, inaabangan na rito eh. Tara. Hindi tayo mag-play. Kasi first yung nakapitahan.
So you heard Coach George Pascua. Ngayon, parang pinapapantayan niya na. Parang man-to-man defense and offense sa padadaanin ng bola. This is the time. Ito na eh. This is the time to bring out whatever you have. Your tricks, new surprises. This is the time for both teams to do that.
Wiping off that spot where Arvin Avila fell down a while ago. He slipped. Labrador has been pretty quiet as well here in this fourth set. Let's see if they'll go to him. Avila.
Oh, and a violation called against USC. Maitaran on the line.
Only in his second year, Alexis Paitaren.
Alfafara using the blockers of FEU to take that point. Alam mo, hindi sila pumabalik masyado dun sa off the block, which won them set number 1.
So USD not letting this one slip away. Labrador dug up there by Doloy Ras.
Oh, Rico tried to delay, but medyo off na siya dun eh. Hindi na balance yung katawan niya in the air. So that went wide for Rico. You know, Anton, talagang you get to appreciate the abilities of these players. Really way up in the air for the vertical leaps and vertical jumps. Speaking of which, alam mo ba si Chase Bodinger? Yung sa user rock,
Yes.
siya lumaban doon sa slam dunk.
Yes.
Do you know that, di ba, MVP siya during his high school days? MVP siya nung pinakamataas na high school all-star game. Pero, 2006, he was also national MVP of volleyball. Kaya pa yung approach niya, tignan mo uli, yung sa dunk niya, yung nandun si PDD, yung approach niya parang running. Totoo. Tapos umano pa siya yung hands niya. Volleyball player. Ang galing. Player of the year siya, imagine, when he was in his senior year, 2006, for volleyball.
Well, that's a very nice bit of trivia there about Chase Budinger. And Diddy told him that white man can't jump.
Sorry. Jumped over you big time. Yung approach na yun was so volleyball. And thanks to Kiefer for that information. Sabi niya, Mama, volleyball player yan. Talaga. So, ni-research ko, galing nga talaga. Both in basketball and volleyball, parehong MVP.
Galing.
Mhm.
So what was JR Labrador doing before he played volleyball?
Oo nga,
Makes
baka
me
naman
wonder.
Let's try to find that out.
These athletes really gifted, able to excel in not just one but
Safe
two
kasi ganun
sports.
di ba? Seasonal yung sports kaya rin siguro. But you know, the adjustments are just to be the best. Diba? Iran denied. You know, this game has been all about blocking. Kung sino yung mas magandang pinapakita sa net. Yun ang parang mas angat.
UST just not wanting to let go of this set.
Oh yes,
They are up
And
2
still-
sets to 1.
they can still take this one, but Beliran just smart using the blocker of UST to take that point, much to the delight of his teammates.
21-17, our official tally here in this 4th set. FEU trying to tie this game up at 2 sets apiece and force a deciding 5th set. A lot of fans coming out here in anticipation of an FEU celebration, a long-awaited volleyball celebration after finishing as a runner-up the past 2 years and watching UST celebrate the past 4 years.
Kami naman, sabi ng FEU. UST not letting it go, but it will be difficult if you have service errors. The Pante gets it into the net.
And if this goes into a deciding 5th set, it will be a test of character for both these squads. But, you know, serving also
Oh, yes.
a test to a player's focus.
It for that, 2 service errors, 1 each for FEU and UST.
Just 3 points separating the two teams. Labrador flying from the attack line.
And Avila, did he get the line? Yes, he did on the cross-court hit. That was really a close one.
Coach Emilontok badly needs this timeout.
Hindi ba malayo na, hindi makakabali. Dapat nandun ka, nakapwesto ka na, starting ka, tututo ka na ng talon. Hindi, hinihintay mo pa, tatakbuhin mo pa. Dapat atin na yun eh. Atin na yung ganun bola eh. Switch. Atin na yun. Open mo, Kodo. Dapat na yan.
You know how you can really see the importance of blocking because it's your first line of defense. Plus, yung sinasabi niya, isang blocker lang kasi coming from UST. So, yung angle by which saan pinadala ni Avila, yung bola na yon, nahirapan yung floor defense because there should have been a blocker beside Ramos. Dapat covered yung area na yon.
Ramos at the top of the net though.
Kaya sabi ni Coach Emil, ate na dapat yun eh. Dapat sarado na yan eh.
Great job by Avila to avoid that single block of Jason Ramos.
Arbasto on the line to serve.
De Ocampo, it's a back set.
Beautiful back set. No one there to block. Avila, not a single soul.
And FEU is 1 point away from tying this game up at 2 sets apiece.
Once again, Petrus De Ocampo on the back set. Just a beautiful decision on the part of De Ocampo.
UST needs a good reception here. Faitaren Received there by Doloy Ras. Alfafara.
Para saying na wait a minute, not just yet. We're still in this as he goes to the line to serve.
But one mistake can send this game into a 5th set. JR Labrador.
Getting that point via that off the block hit.
And we are about to head into that deciding 5th set. Don't go away. Keep it right here on Studio 23 for more of plays like this. JR Labrador equalizing this game up at 2 sets apiece. Set number 5 coming up. This is game number 2 of the men's volleyball finals of UAAP season 74.